10 new car gadgets that are worth buying in 2023. 1. Slimy Gel Jelly Gum Cleaning Kit. This is one of the best car cleaning gadgets, which helps for cleaning corners and deep places in your car. Usually, the places which are difficult to clean, such as air vents, switch button gaps, etc., can be cleaned by this cool gadget. This object is a better handy for easy and quick cleaning. Perfect car cleaning supplies, perfect for cleaning the nooks and crannies in your auto. Car gel cleaner is super great to get into the vents and little crevices on the car air vents, steering wheels, console panel, storage bins, cup holder, door handles and dashboards. Easy to use. Take out the car cleaning gel with dry hands, knead a few times. Press the car slime for cleaning slightly on the dust surface, and pull out the car detailing tool slowly. The dirt would be carried away with the car slime cleaner. Cleaning slime is more useful than car vacuum cleaner. Reusable gel for cleaning car could be used for several times till the color of the interior car cleaning kit turned to dark. After use, please put the gel back in jar and sealed storage in cool place. Note: don't wash the dust cleaning gel for car with water. High-tech cleaning material. Auto cleaning gel putty is made of high-tech cleaning material, smells sweet. Cleaning glue for car sticky dust, but not sticky to hands. Car detailing supplies pick up all dust and debris and leaves no residue. 2. Mini Portable Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. For an emergency cleaning, an advanced vacuum cleaner can be easily stored in your car and can be used just with one hand. The vacuum comes with a variety of cleaning types, including a stretchable rod, a crevice nozzle and a brush nozzle. The vacuum is small in size and has a powerful suction power of 6,200 pascals. This gadget is chargeable and can run for 30 minutes on a single charge. Hot takes. Unique design. There is a small brush at the bottom of the vacuum cleaner, which is convenient for sweeping the desktop garbage together and sucking it away. Enjoy freedom. The small vacuum cleaner is a wireless design, so you are no longer trapped by wires, and you can clean any place you want. 2 colors are available. The portable vacuum cleaner is available in yellow and white. The comfortable color allows you to get a better mood and stable mood during the cleaning process. Battery powered. The mini vacuum cleaner uses battery power, which is more convenient. You don't need to worry about not finding the charger. Lightweight. Compared with traditional vacuum cleaners, mini vacuum cleaners are lighter and smaller, which is convenient for you to use and store in a smaller space. 3. Steering wheel spinner knob. This gadget is also an important one for the drivers who travels through curved roads daily, as it helps to control the steering wheel with just one hand. Also, it easily helps to control the gear changes with one hand and steering control with the other hand. This gadget is one of the best for quick and faster steering control. They are compatible with most vehicles, including semi-trucks, golf carts, lawn mowers, marine boats, agricultural equipment and many other cars. High-quality materials. The steering wheel spinner is made of high-quality ABS, ensuring maximum strength and durability, and long-lasting durability, and its classic wood grain color and black will enhance your car interior. Safe and convenient, universal steering wheel ball can ensure more smooth turning. The spinners greatly help when doing difficult car maneuvers. They give you the power and ability to pull off some really tight car moves. Easy to use. Clamp the ring on the steering wheel in place and tighten the bolts to secure the ring firmly. The rubber pad at the bayonet can protect your steering wheel. The device is suitable for all vehicles, including agricultural equipment. 4. Jack rod stand. To work on a car, in most scenarios, is to jack it up off the ground. That's great, but jack stands aren't always the best solution. There are instances where they can block what you're doing, damage your expensive floors, or not even be able to fit under your vehicle. Available for $139, the jack rod is a quick and compact alternative for getting your car elevated safely. The jack rod is really as simple as it looks. Once you have a corner of your vehicle jacked up into the air, you attach the jack rod between the axles of the floor jack. When in situations where traditional jack stands won't fit, get in the way, or may damage your expensive floors, the jack rod stand is the perfect replacement. Turn your existing floor jack into a safe jack stand with the push of a lever. Designed to work with most floor jacks. 5. MichaelPRO Click-Through Torque Wrench. MichaelPRO makes a stout tire iron replacement that doubles as a torque wrench. Its dual functionality is made possible thanks to a bit driver that slides up and down the shaft of the torque wrench. The driver clicks into place at the top and at the middle. In its T mode, with the driver at the top, you can use it as a torque wrench, while X mode, with the driver in the middle, is best for breaking wheel nuts loose and tightening them back up most of the way. This professional click torque wrench has a highly robust ratchet mechanism for clockwise direction, ideal of industrial use. Be at the forefront with your new high-grade click torque wrench. Very easy torque value setting with external knob and scale reading, visible even in low light situations. We can all agree that this is a must-have click torque wrench. Who says you can't have the best of both worlds? Our torque wrench comes with a specially designed 2-in-1 with lug wrench for more versatile uses. Use it for automotive purposes, changing tires, and anything you can think of or use with this set. Be at the forefront with your new high-grade click torque wrench. Changing tires are a breeze with this torque wrench set. With a highly robust ratchet mechanism for clockwise direction and range of work 70, 170 Nm, 50, 130 feet per pounds, it allows you to perform any task efficiently. 6. Neck Rest Pillow. Extra comfort for drivers, the car neck pillow is designed to give you the support you lack with the factory-installed headrest. It provides additional support for your neck and head and helps improve posture while driving, reducing muscle tension and stress. Great for long trip, the memory foam construction and compact ergonomic design mold to your unique shape to maintain neck support. If you ever want to stop at a rest area along the freeway and take a nap to relax during a long car trip, just attach our pillow onto the default headrest and adjust your seat to a reclined position. You will be surprised how much more comfortable you can be. Perfect for home or travel. The compact design and easy installation make this car neck pillow exceptional for use in your daily drive or while you travel. The adjustable straps allow you to install it easily. This gadget has been in every car holder's wish list. It is one of the essential car gadget accessories for the people who gets neck pain during driving. Having high elastic and comfortable material, this gadget makes your travel much more comfortable. Neck rest pillows are highly recommended for the long-distance drivers for better comfort. 7. Luno Air Mattress. The Luno Air Mattress is built to put an end to restless, uncomfortable nights camping. It has a grid of carefully mapped O-beams flexes to support the areas of your body that need it most. The comfort valve gives you the ability to adjust the firmness of each side of the mattress independently. With the tailored design, you'll enjoy maximum sleeping space and maximum comfort, guaranteed. Every Luno Air mattress is made of 2 joined air chambers. If space is a hot commodity, simply deflate one side for a single mattress setup. If maximizing comfort is the goal, inflate both sides for plenty of wiggle room. Either way, each side is adjustable for your preferred firmness and comfortably fits campers up to 6 feet 2 inches tall. 8. Tire Pressure Monitoring System. It would be hard to know if you get your tire punctured, especially if it's one of those slow air leaks. If you go off-road a lot, you might drive over some tough thorns, and knowing that you may potentially have a blowout is a great safety feature not traditionally available to non-luxury cars. 7 alarm modes: high and low pressure alarms are high temperature alarms, a sensor low battery alarms are fast tire leak alarms, sensor data loss alarms are display low battery alarms. Allows you to focus on long distance travel or freight. 14 days battery time, energy saving, large size LCD, observe up to 22-24 tires, and the content includes temperature, degree FE, degree C, pressure, PSI, a bar at the same time. For hours fully charged, keep to 12-14 days. Max up to 80 feet sensing distance equipped with a repeater, except for sensor model. Sensor signal transmission distance max up to 80 feet. Tire pressure monitoring range is 0-188 psi. The tire temperature monitoring range is 4-185. Easy install and setup: first coding every sensor, then install sensors on the tire. Coding process: please watch the instruction video. Please note, when you set the tire pressure alarm value, enter a value, 25% above it is the high pressure alarm value, and 25% below it is the low pressure alarm value. 9. Heated and cooled cup holder. Sure, you are familiar with heated and cooled seats. But what about heated and cooled cup holders? These are new luxury options in cars such as the BMW X5M, the Audi Square 5 Sportback, and the Cadillac Escalade. They would come in handy a lot as they would help you take your coffee in the morning on your way to work, or more like a frappuccino from Starbucks. Maybe you want to sip a nice cold soda in the back of your '05 Corolla on a hot summer afternoon. Just plug this device in the cigarette port and bam, you got yourself a heated and cooled cup holder. Smart cooling and heating cup holder with intelligent technology. Special design to heat beverages and refrigerated beverages on car cigarette lighters. Made of high-quality ABS, environmentally friendly aluminum with good insulation and durability. Perfect fits for drivers. Enjoy a hot coffee or water on the way, or cool drinks and beverages on the way. Easy to apply, one-button heating and one-button cooling. Heat up and cool down quickly. Can be raised to 58 degrees Celsius, 72 degrees Celsius, or reduced to 3 degrees Celsius, 5 degrees Celsius. 10. Polarized Sun Visor. A polarized sun visor could be the best sun visor you'll ever come across. Yes, all cars come with some form of a sun visor, but most are awkward at best. This sun visor is larger than your average default visor and is more flexible to cover any area ahead of you. For a few bucks, you could protect yourself from sun blindness and other UV rays in a really simple setup. This sun visor easily fits on the existing visor, and you can maneuver it 360 degrees. These visors don't distort your visibility and can go on the passenger side as well. Polarized anti-glare visor. Functional components adopt polarization technology, block harmful UV rays and dazzling reflected lights from buildings or car rears. It eliminates visual fatigue or discomforts to enable clear vision even under extreme sunlight. Your #1 guardian for safe driving. No image distortion. Upgraded design straps seamlessly connects your visor and extender. Ensures consistent visual and color alignment. The visor is large enough to cover the entire field of view. Wider design suits for people of different heights. Cutting-edge design elevates diving comfort and safety to the next level. Patented slider zip. Adjust your visor by simply sliding the zipper, smartly designed to ensure the visor are always kept horizontal. Smoothly pull out or return the visor by using just one hand, frees up another hand for safe driving. No fingerprint stains. Adjust the visor without leaving any fingerprints on the visor to always keep your visual clear. Always looking brand new and clean. Stability maximized. Upgraded hook and loop fastener firmly installs the visor on your sun board. Lock option on slider zips allows the visor to stay at any adjusted length without falling or shaking during drives. That's it. We have come to the end of our countdown. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.